Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make slime. I'm going to be using this container. And yeah. So I was just looking at the iPod. Yep, the iPod. Because someone texted me. So I'm going to be making slime. The materials we'll be needing is clear glue, any type of glue, just not the one from the Dollar Tree, because these materials you can find at your house, probably, yes. So it's like a DIY. So Elmer's clear glue, that's what I'm using, and Febreze. So first I'm gonna do, and you need something to mix in, or a container, or something to mix with. I'm using a Q-tip. I mean, not a Q-tip.
Luke's actually so mad at me that she's not even speaking to me. You know what? I am going to tell her that
I meant a toothpick.
No, I'm going to stay out of it.
Sorry, I had to go somewhere real quick. I had to go get something. So, I got the glue.
Nope, they have to work this out themselves.
And I will show you. And so I got the glue in. You can't see it because it's clear glue. Yeah. And now I'm just gonna spray some Febreze in it. So I spray some Febreze in it. And now I'm just gonna mix it up. You might need Airwick, but I'm not using Airwick. So this is a fill, so I'm going to try glue and detergent. So yeah. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Kind of exciting, no? Alright, that's it. The Parker tunnels are officially closed. Get out. Oh, but the muffins are almost done. You have an oven down here? No, never mind. We're leaving. They smell good. Ooh. Comfy chair. Don't mind if I do. What's that sound? All right, no.
So I'm back, and cleanse out my cleanser box. I'm going to be actually using this one now with a pencil. So you need clear glue again.
I am actually healing just fine, getting rid of every single trace of Maddie in this entire room.
Well, it's gonna be hard to turn the page on such a corn relationship.
What's a corn relationship?
So, and you're also going to be needing the detergent. So yeah. And
I mean, let your best friend move to California and you didn't even say goodbye?
I'm not talking to her until she apologizes. I spent my entire life for her, and then she bailed on me, Joey. So you can stop referring to her as my friend.
Does this picture mean nothing to you? Sisters by chance, friends by choice. Powerful little words. Marginal effort.
guys, it's working.
Sisters by chance. Friends no more.
Don't go away. We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
What's your family doing this Thanksgiving? Shall we name it, Josh? Book in from the creators of Zootopia. See the newest Disney masterpiece together. Dwayne Johnson, Elise
Cool.
Teaming up with your best friends
So
will make you more powerful.
it's like,
Could have imagined.
but still sticky.
Superhero Girls Action Dolls are a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
So I would try this at home, and I'm going to be putting this in my slime kit. And I'm also going to be giving you a tour of my slime pit, because why not? Well, not a tour. I meant just like showing you what's in my slime kit. This is my 6th slime already done, and I will do more. Okay, so I poured the rest back in here, and yeah, as I'm mixing it up, so let me bring down my slime kits, and yeah, so once you instantly put this in here and stir it one time, sorry about that, and stir it one time, it will literally just form already. And it's like so cool. I'm putting it all back right here. Anyways, yeah, so here's my slime kits. Let me. And I'm gonna be making it. Look, it actually worked.
What's happening? Well, I'm getting rid of any negative chi you may have picked up on the plane at 30,000 feet. Bad chi means bad happiness. Willow, this is Aunt Dina. Aunt Dina, this is Willow. Willow!
And look,
I love
what's in here?
college aura.
Oh, this is another slime.
Thank you. I just had it touched up. Can I offer you one some spelt crackers with mung bean spread?
That was my sister, guys.
Please, extra mum.
So here's the
I
slime.
exit this room the way I entered it, with peace and harmony.
I'm making another one of these right now. So here's the repeating steps. Glue. What you need? Glue.
Go down to Parker Hollow and have one last bologna sandwich together.
Can we hold hands?
No.
Do it? Yeah. Yeah, it's not even like I even really wanted to. I just wanted to say something.
Fine, come on.
So I got my glue in there.
Why did you stop, Parker? I just got a face full of your butt.
So stirring it again. And it's clumping together.
What have you done to Parker Hollow?
I love this slime now. It's like my most favorite slime that I have made already.
You are so lucky that you get to live with such a cool aunt.
I know, she's a blast. Though she does claim she is a psychic healer. So, you know, if she finds out that Liv and I are fighting, she's just gonna try and get all up in my chakras. Which, I mean, I don't know what chakras are, but I'm assuming I don't want anybody all up in them. So just do me a favor, just don't say anything. Okay. You're fighting with Liv.
She is psychic.
Did you have a vision? No, I can just hear you from the kitchen. The house is really echoey. But to my credit, I did have an intuitive tingle. So what is going on?
This slime was good. A success.
Liv gave up her show for Maddie, and now she feels like Maddie abandoned her.
Because I want to go to my dream school. But I'm not going to talk to her until she apologizes. But you two have always been so close. Let me help you fix this. No, I mean, there really is no fixing this. We're never going to speak again.
I'm just gonna take a moment to play with this.
Everything Maddie goes in the
This is my #1 favorite slime that I've played with So, sorry about my voice, but
Are you packing up Maddie's stuff? I knew I shouldn't have sent Joey up here to talk with you. Okay. Looks like Mama's gotta fix it herself. I'm sorry, Mom. You really can't fix this. Liv, sisters fight. Believe me, I know. But they need to find a way to...
clear. It's clear.
We
It's
can make
clear.
up as soon as she apologizes because I am not the one who's
It's
wrong.
clear,
Sometimes
but
you can be wrong and right at the same time. Now you need to ask yourself, do you want to be right? Or do you want to get your best friend back? I don't want her back. I'm really enjoying having this whole place to myself, and it's going to be even better once all of her junk is gone. Is it junk? Or is it a lifetime of memories?
so I just made another one, and it's greener.
It was super fun idea. I do have one question though. If we're not carrying a surf, why do we need to carry the surfboards? Answers evidence if you look within.
So yeah, I'm gonna go. So yeah, that was it for this video, and hope you liked this video. If you liked it, subscribe down below if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to try it, comment down below. And yeah, hope you like it. Bye.